Now let's talk about the next question, that is question number 12. So this question is asking how do the various leaf modifications helps in plant. So first of all, we know that leaves are the vegetative part, or leaves are the vegetative structures of a plant which is concerned with the process of photosynthesis in them. That means leaves are the vegetative structures, they are not concerned with the sexual process or sexual reproduction in plants. These are the just vegetative parts of a plant which performs the process of photosynthesis. That means the leaves are capable of synthesizing food in them. If we talk about modifications of leaf, sometimes leaves are modified into different kind of structures to perform different kind of functions. We have some examples of leaf modifications such as tendrils, spines, and some other modifications as well. So first of all, let's write the answer. Let's begin the answer number 12. First of all, we'll write about leaf. Leaves are the vegetative, leaves are the vegetative structures. Leaves are the vegetative structures of plant which performs the process of photosynthesis. That means they synthesize food, right? But we have some modifications. Sometimes leaves are modified into different structures to perform different functions in them. So the first modification of leaf we have is tendril. For that we have example in pea plant. You will see in pea plant the leaves are modified. The leaves are modified into tendrils. The leaves are modified into tendrils. And what they are performing, what they are doing, they are helping the pea plant into climbing. So they are helping into climbing, the plant into climbing. The next leaf modification we have is spines. Now, in plants like cactus, the leaves are modified. The leaves are modified into spiny structures. These spiny structures in the plants like cactus are acting as defense, right? So these structures are providing protection to them. So these spines act like organ of defense. Then the third type of leaf modification we have is phyllodes. Now this we have is phyllodes. So these are the leaf modifications. In some plants like Australian acacia, the leaves are short-lived. In some plants like Australian acacia, the leaves are short-lived and are replaced by phyllodes, which are the modified leaves. These leaves are modified leaves and arised from the petiole of leaf. In these kind of plants, this petiole is performing photosynthesis, not phyllodes, photosynthesis, right? Then we have The last modification we have is picture, right? In picture plant, you are already familiar with the picture plant, right? So leaves in picture plant modified into picture like structure, which contains the digestive juices, which are helping these plants to capture insects and digesting them. Alright, so these all are the modifications of leaves. We know that leaves are the vegetative parts and they are having the function of making or synthesizing food. They are performing photosynthesis. The main site of photosynthesis is leaves, right? But sometimes some leaves get modified into different structures to perform different functions, such as in pea plant, it helps in climbing. In some plants like cactus, they are helping or acting like the organ of defense. In pitcher plant, they are acting like the juice, they are acting like a pitcher like structure which is containing the digestive juices and helping they're helping in the capturing of food or digesting the insects. And in phyllodes, the petiole is the structure which is performing photosynthesis. So these are the modifications of leaves, and with this we have completed the answer of question number 12.